From the river flowing down in the mountains to the branches of trees swaying in rhythmic motion due to the winds. Every sound, or what you may call noise, created is music. Music is everywhere. You can hear them in the laughter of kids, or you can listen them in the chirping of the birds every morning. Music is all around us. All you have to do is listen. And this famous musical quote from the movie August Rush couldn't be any more sweeter to begin today's review. Hello everyone, I am Akansha and you're watching my channel AV, where fun never stops. I could not help myself, but I'm still in awe of what I just saw. And what was that? Let me take you on a musical journey. Today's series that I'm going to be reviewing is far from the dark webs of crime, thriller and bloodshed. Titled as Bandish Bandits, the show is flooring the audience with its mesmerizing musical symphony from the day it has aired on Amazon Prime Video. Season 1 of Bandish Bandits dropped on Amazon Prime Video last week, and it stars newbies Shreya Chaudhary and Ritwik Bhomik and the veteran Nasruddin Shah in the lead roles. The series is well supported by the talented actors Sheba Chadha, Atul Kulkarni, Rituraj Singh and Kunal Roy Kapoor. The series is created by Girl in the City fame director Amritpal Singh Bindra and Go Goa Gone fame actor Anand Tiwari. This musical series have the background scores lent by none other than the supremely talented trio of music industry, Shankar Ehsaan Loy. The plot of the series revolves around an aspiring classical singer in Jodhpur, Radhe, played by Bhomik, and the Mumbai-based YouTube sensation singer Tamanna Sharma, played by Shreya. How does the journey of these two diametrically opposite musical mindsets collide is what the series is all about. It is such a refreshing breath of air to see a musical series being created so outstandingly. The music you listen is heavenly. The classical music, the alaps, the tans, the mukhras, the thumris and the rags will make your day. Even if you don't know anything about the music, the show is everything you need to know about. The series starts on the evergreen rag. Jago Mohan Pyare, Jago Mohan Pyare. Okay, it took me back to my music learning days. It was such a treat to watch these actors fighting to save the honor of classical music in our country. True or not, they have been quite believable in their acts. Indian classical music is our heritage and no music of today can beat to it. It is a sad watch to see that the traditional musicians are struggling to make their ends meet to keep this classical music alive. Well, the series is shot primarily in the areas of Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and they have tried to capture the struggle, persistence and patience of a musical artist. Unlike the regular filmy songs, learning classical music is no child's play. Right from singing at right time of the day to the endless practice sessions to be a right heir of a musical gharana, the journey is not easy. And for those who believe there is money, they couldn't be any more wrong. It is all about the honor and discipline of the music. I am going gaga all over this because it has touched just the right chord in me, which has led to the birth of a sincere classical music admirer. Anyway, the show has also highlighted the issue of patriarchy, egoism, where the lady of the house is prohibited to sing for her gharana just because she was better at it from the maestro. Watch the show to know more about what I am talking right now. There is not even a single actor who haven't displayed the fine art of perfection in their acting and singing. Everyone, right from the actors in the front to the music stalwarts in behind, the series is a delight to watch. Chedkhaniya, Garaj Garaj Sawan are my personal favorite. Now, it's time for the verdict. Rated 8.8 on IMDb, I am going to rate this series 4 stars out of 5 for its fabulous and rejuvenating storyline, and of course, taking up the cause which was getting forgotten: Indian classical music. Well then, this was my review for today. Felt so good after long having reviewed this one. What are your thoughts, my friends? Did you watch the series and have something to say? Otherwise also, I would love to hear from you guys. I will see you next time super soon. Till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel AV and hit that bell icon to receive the notifications every single time I upload a new video. Bye bye, take care.